Hello everyone, Jaime Mantilla here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a CRM for real estate agents, okay? It is free. You can actually try it yourself. We're gonna use it with Softer. As you can see, Softer is a low-code, no-code tool where you can actually use to build custom software applications without using literally any line of code. You don't need coding experience. They actually have a free plan where you can actually build an application. You can build multiple, but you can only publish one. So you still have, like, if you only need one, if you're a solopreneur or whatever, and you would just want to build this one app, if you're a real estate agent that just need a CRM and you're in low budget or you're independent, you don't have a broker, you can actually come here, create an account. It is completely free, and that'll land you here on the portal itself. So you can see it's going to look like this. You also have templates to choose from. So if you go to softer.io templates, you can actually see a list of templates that you can use. In this case, you're going to go to CRMs, and in CRMs, you will find the one that I talked to you about. But once you're in and once you're logged in, all you have to do is, if you want to build it from scratch, knock yourself out. It's up to you. You can actually generate it using AI. Or you can actually use the templates, which is the path that I'm going to take. Okay, so you go here to CRMs, then you're going to scroll down to commercial real estate CRM. You're going to click preview. You can actually see just the images that they offer here. You have a description here, and then you're going to click on use template. Here on the data store, you're going to select whether you want to get the information from a spreadsheet in Google, send the information to Supabase on a database, Notion. You actually choose whatever you want to choose. And they have an academy that you can actually take the course and figure it out yourself, okay? So you're going to click continue. And then once you click continue, in the meantime, I'm going to go to these. Actually, let me see what it does. So it's just I'll get back to it in a minute, but you can actually go to Softer Academy. On this Softer Academy, you actually go to the dashboard and you can see that you have these courses. So learn core concepts, and you have all the information here for you to modify the app that is already built for you. It's a template. It's already built. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and that's it. So just give me 1 second here. And you can just actually go to the course, and that should do it. So once you go back to the dashboard, you can see that the CRM has already been built. You can actually play around with it. You can actually create new pages, whatever you want. You can actually modify the template itself, but I'm going to leave that for another video. Actually, Softer has the academy. So what a better course than the people that actually created the application themselves. So I would just encourage you to take this course, modify whatever you need to modify, and then just make it your own. But in this video, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's super straightforward. You can actually publish. If you really like it and you don't need to change anything, you can just publish it yourself, and that's it, right? Like, you have the option here to publish. I'm sure that there's some other steps that you need to follow to register your domain and a few other things, but I'm sure that they have the documentation for you to do that, no problem. So I'm just going to walk you through the CRM itself real quick. You have multi-unit properties. In this case, this is for commercial, but you can actually remove it if you're a regular real estate agent and you just do single units or residential. You can actually just modify these pages. But what I'm going to do here, this is the agent view. I'm going to act like if I am the admin, and then I click understand. And this will give you more opportunities for you to add other listings, assign real estate agents and other things. So you can actually click here and add a multi-unit property. You can see here, that would be listed just like so here. If you want to create a single unit property, same thing. You have your own page. You can actually create that on the form. Units, I don't really know what this means. You know better if you're in real estate. But for these specific units, maybe these are just specific units in a commercial property. So you can actually create these units as well and add, the landlord and all that good stuff. You can actually click on it and it'll give you the details. So let's wait for it. It has the image, it has the details. You also would be able to assign deals. So if you have a specific property that you want to assign to somebody else, or even assign it to yourself, let's make sure we refresh this page here. We're in preview mode, so hopefully we get the information that we need. And it's not loading, but no big deal. If we go to companies, you can actually add the landlords, you can actually add the tenants information, you can actually have the contacts, your contacts for a specific either deals or personal contacts for other things. You can actually generate reports, and these reports are based on active units lease or single unit lease. So you can actually create different views with different reporting capabilities that will give you the opportunity to track everything that you need. Okay, let me just try to go back to deals again, or just try to change. Is there another agent? Let's see, 1 second. Let's just go to a different real estate agent to see if that page works. If it doesn't work, no big deal. Again, it's a demo, it's for demo purposes, just for you to preview the pages themselves. Maybe I have it open somewhere else. Just try these, or not use it. I don't want to use that template. On a preview here, again, I tested it before I showed it to you, but for some reason it's not working now. So anyways, this won't work for some reason. So you have the deals, and you can see the pipeline, whether they're new, whether they're in progress, won or lost. You can actually click on it. It'll take you to the views, and then the reports, you will see it has graphs. That's what I tried it with in another browser, just for you to see that you can actually have a nice report here of whatever you have in this table below, and then you have another graph here for whatever you have in this table below. Okay, so again, a CRM for free for real estate agents. You can try it yourself. You can contact somebody that to build it for you. You can actually do this to sell to some other real estate agents. I don't know. You can actually create your own application, your own SaaS, put a paywall, very inexpensive for real estate agents to use your app. But that's it. The sky's the limit. Try new things. Keep trying new tools. And again, this era is much better than 10, 20 years ago. Things are AI, and the tools that were being built right now are just moving the needle faster, making you more efficient. So I would just encourage you to try this thing, try this application, try some other ones for yourself, just so that can get your juices going for new ideas. And that should do it. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Thank you.